Welcome back to another video at Motorsport and Performance. Today we're going to be continuing this RTR Spec 3 build. In the previous video you've seen D fit the Ford Performance Stage 1 supercharger. The car's then gone onto the dyno, you've seen the stock runs and the supercharge runs and the power difference. So we're going to continue the build, which entails aesthetics and chassis upgrades. So let's crack on. So first things first, we're going to get the front bumper off. We've got the upper and lower grille to fit. We've got the RTR lights, the RTR badging and an RTR splitter. Next up we have the RTR hood vent and rear quarter splitter. So most of the aesthetics on the RTR Spec 3 have been fitted now. We've got a couple little things left to do, but before we get onto that we're going to fit some chassis components, and that consists of RTR tactical shocks and springs and adjustable roll bars all the way around. To finish off the aesthetics, we are onto the side skirts and the staggered RTR Aero 5 wheels finished in gloss bronze, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres. Next up is the RTR vinyl, which consists of a right-hand drive sun strip, hood stripes, rear quarter stripes and finally stripes down the lower half of the car. It's on with the RTR shifter and road testing to ensure that all new components are in perfect working order. Before we head back to the workshop, let's take a moment to see all the Spec 3 upgrades. Finally, we are now prepping the car for the customer, which is a full exterior decontamination, paint correction and a 5-year ceramic coating to fully protect the car. Right then guys, there you have it. The RTR Spec 3 is now complete. If you've got any questions or queries, don't hesitate to get in touch.